Hey folks, this is Manu from Steadybit. Today I want to talk about integrating Steadybit with your CI/CD tool. What has been always possible is to integrate Steadybit into your CI/CD tool and run chaos engineering experiments in an automated manner in your pipelines. For that, you can simply use our command line interface that is available via npm, install it in your CI/CD tool of choice, and run an experiment easily. Like for instance in here in Jenkins, where we're having a separate job that is running chaos engineering experiments by simply configuring the Steadybit command line interface to connect to the Steadybit platform and run experiments identified by the experiment key. Now, with the recently added Jenkins extension, we even support a bidirectional integration into Jenkins. This way, whenever you have installed this newly added Jenkins extension, you are benefiting from an automatic discovery of all your Jenkins jobs, which allow you to actually run a job triggered in your experiment to validate your system like you're doing it, for instance, in nightly runs. Let's say you have some Cypress UI tests running in your Jenkins pipeline. Now you can simply trigger them directly from Steadybit and check whether your system is working even when injecting some turbulent conditions. Let me show you how that looks like. I'm jumping over into the Steadybit platform, heading into the Explorer, and here you can see a list of all the Jenkins jobs automatically discovered by the Jenkins extension, and also providing additional metadata for each of the jobs. I can now head into the experiment editor to design a chaos engineering experiment and include in here the step to run a Jenkins job. Now it's easy to specify the job I want to run simply by using the automatic discovery of the Jenkins job names. I can also specify further parameters and run it combined, for instance, with a zone outage of a specific Kubernetes deployment. And now whenever I'm checking out a past execution, I can see the full details of my chaos engineering experiment as well as feedback coming from the Jenkins job, so that I always know whether this one is working successfully or whether it indicates some failures in my system while injecting the turbulent conditions. So whenever you are a Jenkins user, make sure to install this newly added Jenkins extension simply by following the install now instruction. And no matter which CI/CD tool you're using, please make sure to integrate also our command line interface to run chaos engineering experiment continuously and be notified once you have a reliability gap. Thanks for watching and take care.